Hello, dear kids, Miss Raji here, or you call me Miss Pillai, whatever, right? So, what are we going to do today? So, this is part of your math algebra curriculum. Specifically saying, I am going to pick from Discovery Math, that's mainly for Math 1 students in California. Discovery Math, Unit 6 concepts. This is the first video on that. So, in this one, we are going to talk about solving systems of equations. So systems of equations, I need to give you lots of basic information on this. Maybe I'll make another video on that. Here we are going to focus totally on a couple of methods to solving linear equations. So I'm going to pick some worksheets here. Yeah. So we are going to focus on elimination method, substitution method. Okay, so hopefully I think you understand what we are doing here. So let me give you a basic information here. So look at this equation here. These are called linear equations, lines in two variables. This is like a standard form, not even in a standard proper form. Normally, we will go with the y equal to mx plus b and all. I will put more videos on that. And, this is kind of the first video I'm making because I'm in the middle of this unit. So I'll be talking kind of like that. That's okay. So anyway, so what are we going to do? So these two equations, if you put it in a graph, they are going to make lines, right? So you know what I'm saying, right? So if in a coordinate system, if you put these lines, they will cross somewhere, sometimes they won't cross. So it is going to happen like three ways, right? So sometimes they will cross. So if you graph a line like that, they will cross like this, we call it one point they met. And sometimes what happens, they just go parallelly. So if you have a line like this, another line will come and so this red line and this green line are going parallelly. So they never meet, right? And sometimes, what happens? This one line will go over the top of this green line. So they collide. We will say infinite solutions, all the real number in the world. Okay, so these are the situations with these two equations where they are meeting, what they are doing, all those things. Okay, anyway, coming back to this, without graphing, we are trying to find out where these two lines are going to meet. So here it is very specific. We are saying elimination method. So what is the meaning of elimination method? We are going to eliminate. In the book, it's called linear combinations also. We are going to combine these equations and solve it in a beautiful way. So this is a beautiful equation because it's really easy to eliminate these things here. Because why I am saying that, look at these two guys here. So if you simply add them, they are going to get cancelled. Boom. Right? So you need to know all your negatives properly. -2 plus 8 is +6. So, okay. So in case you are getting stuck, go and review. Sometimes you will say like, this 2 negatives is positive. No, 2 negatives are not positive in addition. That's only for multiplication, right? So those are the small things you have to remember. Small things, okay? Now you go to your almost, you're getting your y. So I am assuming like the other steps for it. Ta-da! Now, most of the time, you have the habit of stopping right here. No. Solution means x and y. So we need to get our x now. So for that, you need to bring the first equation. It's up to you. First or second equation is totally up to you. Actually, the second equation is better here because it doesn't have much negatives, right? Anyway, let's do this. Let us substitute this y inside this, Oh, sorry, my bad. This is x, right? Then minus 2 times -6, okay? So put it there. Watch very carefully because you're going to make lots of mistakes if you didn't focus. Because all these positives and negatives are going to really matters. So this is the place your product will become a plus, right? So then you need to subtract 12 from both sides. Okay. So when you subtract 12 from both sides, what you will get? I'm going to just write it here. You will get negative 4x equal to negative 24. If you don't know your negatives, big trouble. So finally, you are solving for your x. Your x will be positive 6. Are we done? No, 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 no. You need to write the solution. 6 minus 6. Okay. This is the simplest equation solving. Okay. I feel like I need to put like small videos for you. So I'm going to stop with this video here. Rewatch it again and again. Take your time. Get it done. Okay.